With the aim of spreading awareness about the importance of stress cardiac MRI, the Images Diagnostic Center, in collaboration with General Electric and the Paris University Hospital, held a press conference under the theme "Why Stress Cardiac, the MRI, is Essential." Being the pioneer in providing the latest services, the center is the only entity that offers the stress cardiac, the MRI scan in Kuwait, offering an advanced and detailed scan of the heart and its functions by creating both still and moving pictures of the heart and major blood vessels. Sarah Faris-Glob has this report.
The Images Diagnostic Center organized a conference in collaboration with the Paris University Hospital to introduce stress cardiac MRI for the very first time in Kuwait.
Yes, we are organizing a kind of conference about a new tool that we are using in MRI examinations to evaluate in a very high resolution the cardiac function and to prevent and to study the cardiac problems in a very specific way. As I spoke in the beginning of the topic, that cardiac MRI is an examination that can replace a lot of examinations are done now in a very higher resolution. So it can show the function of the heart, it can show if there is a small vessel not functioning, supplying the blood to the heart, can prevent from heart disease in the future if we can detect the small problems, and can decide if the patient can undergo a surgery to revascularize the heart or not. So in this conference, we are working in collaboration with the University Hospitals of Paris. So our expertise with their expertise to define the final diagnosis. 3 professors from a group called APHP. It's a university hospital group, 36 hospitals in Paris. It's a public institution in Paris, very huge institution, #1 in Europe. And they have their own cardiac center, reading and imaging. And the attendees are mainly cardiologists from Ministry of Health and from private.
The Assistance Publique Hospitaux de Paris, or APHP, is the public hospital system in the city of Paris and is the largest hospital system in Europe and one of the largest in the world, providing healthcare, teaching, research, prevention, education, and emergency medical service in 52 branches of medicine.
We are presenting a new organization, which is a connection of expertise for the difficult medical cases that can be analyzed in the Hôtel Dieu and in the expert from the Assistance Publique. And you probably know that the Assistance Publique is a very big institution in France. It's 37 hospitals. And it's a very huge university hospitals because we are linked to 7 universities. And so we have a different expert in the whole medical field.
I just present our organization, our hospital, because most of physicians know each hospital, but not all the organization. So we have 37 hospitals. We are all the hospitals are university and public hospital, government hospital, and we used to receive many people coming from abroad for treatment.
Magnetic resonance imaging, or MRI, is a medical imaging technique used in radiology to investigate the anatomy and function of the body in both health and disease. Recent researches suggest that MRIs could become a key tool in diagnosing numerous illnesses. This joint collaboration between the Images Diagnostic Center and the Paris University Hospital comes at a very critical time in this day and age and is extremely essential as it is the first time such an initiative to introduce stress cardiac MRI has taken place in Kuwait. From the Radisson Blu Hotel, this is Sarah Glob reporting for English News.